in Guangzhou with convention transportation. All our hair bundles are no tangle, no shedding, with enough weight, about 100 grams per piece. We will check the quality carefully and pack the hairs well before shipment, and try to make our customers satisfied. Our subsidiary factory is in Xuchang, Henan, the biggest hair production center in China. From hair material collection to packaging, in every procedure, we do it very seriously and control hair quality strictly under our quality standard. Advanced sewing machine and skilled workers make sure our hair bundles will not shed. We use steam, but not chemical, to make the different textures to avoid the bad smell. All the hairs must be washed to test and make sure no tangle. Our bleaching and dye technology is good enough to make any kind of color. Number 613 blonde color is our hot-selling item. We have a whole line of hair products, like virgin hair bundles, Brazilian hair, Peruvian hair, Indian hair, Malaysian hair, ombre and blonde hair, closure, frontal, 360, lace wig, clip-in hair extensions, fusion hair, tape hair, big stock, fast shipment, strict quality warranty. Wish to start a good hair business with you and grow up together. Thanks for your time.